Hello, everybody. This is Kostas, and today I'm gonna show you very fast a new plugin that I created for you because I'm working all the time with fever and keep cleaning all your websites and I see a lot of infections, a lot of attacks to many websites. Is that most of you use WordPress. This plugin I created here is to protect the main backdoors that most hackers are using, and in fact, they manipulate your website, manage to uh, plug their, their malware and or just infect some of your main files, and they manage to control your website. The main purpose of a hacker is not to just to drop your website. It's to remain to keep your website alive so that sending email and managing to gather information from your website is the most important. Um, what I'm gonna show you right away is this plugin that I created, and it's called Guardian Angel. Guardian Angel is one of the of those plugins that are gonna secure the most important parts of and the vulnerable parts of your website. Okay, here you're gonna see the main health overview when you go to the main plugin page, and you can move to settings where you can harden your website security. And the hardening here, you're going to see that it's to disable XML RPS. Okay, that's recommended for most sites. That's why we have a tick here. Disable the file editor. It's very important because hackers are using those a lot. And you restrict REST API anonymous. That is not always useful, but it restricts a lot how uh, somebody approach your website. Sometimes it's gonna affect a lot of useful plugins. So this one you can use it by caution or with an advice from your IT or somebody that takes care of your website. If you see that you have a lot of attacks, you can easily check it and keep it checked until you feel that sorry. As you can see, we have the we secure the headers of the website because those are vulnerable too. And here is another very important um, option that I have already added to this version. It's the login shield. Okay, um, most of the hacking tools, they try to break your login website. Okay, they try to get into your WordPress site from the WP admin. What does that mean? They hook a tool, and this tool is trying to find out which your password is, or try to break this password and manage to gain access to your website. Okay, that is very critical because when a new user connects to your website and gain access as an admin, trust me, there uh, a lot of bad things can happen. You're gonna get an alert where every time that somebody is locked out, because testing for and trying for 8 attempts, it's a person that is gonna try and give a wrong password for 8 attempts, and you know that's a lot. You can reduce this one, this option. It's gonna be locked out for 30 minutes, and then it's gonna have to try again. You're gonna get an alert email to your email that you're gonna set here, and you even get a weekly report using this option over here, and to the email that you're gonna declare here. Here you can select which day and what time of the day to get this this report. Okay. And here it's another very important option that I have already added. It's the update safety restore points. You're gonna see here that you get a, um, a database uh, backup while the plugins are updating. When that happens, this plugin takes care to export and your SQL, in fact, your database, to a temporary file. When that happens, and you see it's gonna keep restore points, 5 restore points, and in case something goes wrong, it's something that most of the administrators and website owners care about. If something goes wrong, this plugin is gonna take care of that, and WP uh, okay, the Angel, the Guardian Angel is gonna take care of that, and it's gonna restore your website to a previous uh, uh, point where everything was working normally. You have even the uptime check self-monitor. In fact, even when something goes wrong, every 15 minutes, the plugin is checking if something goes wrong, and you're gonna get an email. You can even make it 60 minutes if you don't want to get a lot of emails. Maybe if you have a lot of downtime, or you don't want to bother with a lot of emails and looks like spamming. You set an alert email, and the endpoints that it's gonna check, it's the hot deal, as you see here, because of the website that I have installed it in testing. And uh, the other point here is to enable the white label. You're gonna get um, uh, the report with a brand name, and this is nice when you take care of other people's websites, and you want to get reports and to monitor their websites. Trust me, this plugin is a must-have, and if you want to have peace in mind and not to bother about fixing a compromised. Oh, sorry. Lastly, the last thing that I want to show is that you can easily export the settings from this plugin, and you can import easily in case you want to use it for another website and secure another website. More options are gonna be added soon. You're gonna have a unique, really guardian angel protecting your website and secure every every single and very sensitive side of your website. Thank you very much for watching this video, and feel free to like it, and leave your message in case you want me to add something extra to this plugin, and subscribe to my channel, because you're gonna see a lot of interesting tools, AI tools, and WordPress plugins that really are very valuable. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.